Hi, it's Jason from 8Wire here. Now in this video, I'm going to show how Conductor can be used to build a data warehouse very quickly. So what I'm going to do is connect to SQL Server some text files and spreadsheets. I'm going to load everything into a landing database, and then I'm going to run some queries that then transports that data into staging. So first thing, I've gone and pre-built all these connections, but if you've seen the other videos, you know they can be done really quickly. It only takes installing the agent and creating the connection in a few minutes. Now here is my destination database, so it's my data warehouse running on my laptop here, and it's empty, so there's nothing inside there. So I pre-built the landing processes, but again this is drag and drop, so I'll run those. That goes through successfully. Now I go back, and as you can see inside my data warehouse, all of my tables are now created and populated with my landing data. So into staging. So I need to create my staging processes. So I'm going to move data from one part of the data warehouse to the other part of the data warehouse. So my from and to are the same place. The agent goes back and gives me a list of all my tables. I'm actually going to use a script though as a source. So I've pre-built my select statements, and as you can see, all these are just simple select statements. Here's my first one, which is my product dimension. I just paste it in there. So Conductor will execute that statement as a source, so I can do all of my data transformation there. Here's one for my fact table. Slightly bigger, but you see I'm casting data and I'm dealing with all the little vagaries of my source data. And that's finished. Now I just create two processes, one for each of those, and yep, that's fine. It's going into my destination table, which is the same name as my script, and finished. And this should just run through in a few seconds. And that's done. So now I just need to run the processes and actually build and populate my staging data warehouse. So I just select those two and run. So now what they're doing is it's going to execute, use that query I wrote as a data source, take the results and push it into my destination tables, and that's going to create them at the same time. So now if I add in my query and run it, there is my fully populated and working data warehouse. So from here I can build my production and presentation layer using the same sort of process. Thanks for listening.